Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Gina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how to make PINKASO. Of late, I've not been uploading because I traveled to Ghana to put things together, and trust me, this woman's PINKASO is very delicious. So I decided to make a video to show you or to share with you guys how this is done. So this is a daughter that she's slicing or she's prepping the veggies, which is onion. She normally uses red onion and spring onions. As you can see, a daughter is prepping here. So this woman is located at Fadama, because I was living at Fadama, and every evening we have to pass to a place and buy this PINKASO because it's very so delicious. So after she's done prepping, she added water to wash it before using it. So this is the next ingredient, which is habanero pepper, and as you can see, it was not washed before. She's taking off the core before grinding it, because she's going to take out the seeds from the habanero pepper before grinding it again, before washing it and then grinding it again.
And now we am banana. Still be I need that stronger now.
Say abano, one kaza we prepare to say.
A man yet day.
And I knew net you, but I say we are money free. We are near for a year, 7 on it.
I am pie.
And abano show young cousin to Jonathan in my.
So,
a banana cousin in my info.
yeah.
Barbecue with face. Barbecue with face.
And I saw we don't tuning now.
Then no, a bimum penny say bit dimsy. And I want to try any him.
So she was saying that if you want, you can start by grinding the habanero pepper before adding the green onion and the red onions to it. Like anyhow you want it. Because the salt is rock salt, she added it to water and then added a little bit of salt pepper to it, just a little bit, about a pinch of it. She told me it makes it feel like more lighter, and trust me, it was very nice. So she didn't grind it smoothly, just like so, and it was okay. She said that's how she wanted, and that's how she's been always doing it, and trust me, it's very nice. After grinding all the ingredients, the veggies, she then went ahead to start with the flour. And there's a little bit of baking powder. So all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. But she didn't really tell me the exact ingredient for all, like for this. When you're doing it, you just need to gauge it and then eyeball it and do it how you want it. Then she added yeast and then water, but a little at a time. She didn't add the water all at once, little at a time, until she got to the consistency that she's looking for.
Go. Look at that.
No something fine so.
It's in cream tiausa, it's yada.
It's a brofo. So the next one they do much one, so say oh you now they do.
I'm sure not going to.
This is a salt bitter and the water and the salt that she mixed earlier on, and now she's adding it to the dough. So she kept mixing it. Then she added the grinded veggies.
This one you have watched something. If you are new, you man, oh, Mariam.
I like so much.
It's a medium chin from Senegal. It's in a Benyan chin.
Now, I should have a cracker and come. So guys, it's simple making this, and you need few ingredients for this recipe, and trust me, it's so delicious. You need to try it at home.
Mix it with ice and
Okay, okay, we're going to our middle.
Basically, this is it. So she closed it and then kept it for like 2 hours. By then, it has doubled in size or it has volume. By then, it has doubled in size, and then after 2 hours, she started frying it, guys. I was patiently waiting for this time to buy mine, to finish mine, and I've been buying this every evening when I went to Ghana. Trust me, it's very, very nice. So this can be eaten at snacks or even for dinner with your cocoa, or just as like that, guys. It came out so well, like, guys, it's so delicious. And when frying, stay close to it and then keep turning until it turns to golden brown, guys. You're good to go. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section below. I hope you really enjoyed watching my video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
Kebab milk on the inside one. Obet made the milk, obet made the new sugar. Let me make any sugar name kebab milk. It's only what was sugar, I bet you sugar. Maybe